Are you an accountant juggling heaps of travel claim bills and drowning in paperwork? Well, we have got some fantastic news for you. Introducing the game changer you have been waiting for, the awesome employee travel claim management system, designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind. With our cutting-edge template, your employees can now bid farewell to the headache of filling out lengthy forms. Instead, they can effortlessly submit their travel expenses using a simple Google form. But that's not all. Admins, your life is about to become a breeze too. The moment the details are submitted by your employees, you, the mastermind behind the scenes, can instantly view the entire details via an admin dashboard created using Google Sheet. Eager to discover more about the product features? Let's dive in. Hello, my name is Ganesh. Welcome to Laziness and Excel. So let's talk about features. With our intuitive dashboard, you can sort through claims based on various factors like by the employee's name, their grade, their submission date, and even by the claim status. A clean claim list panel lets you swiftly view all submitted claims based on the filters you apply. Right at the top, you get a scorecard showing the total number of claims, processed claims, and the pending claims, making management a breeze. Need more details about the claim? Just a click on the View button gives you a full picture of any claim. With the Delete button, you can simply mark records as removed. The good news is, they are not permanently deleted, just tucked away securely. Need a claim back on track? Simply hit the Restore button and it's back in action. There is even a handy checkbox option to control the visibility of the removed records. Check out up to 10 claims in one go and smoothly move to the next or previous page using the page navigation button. Need to jump to a particular page? Simply type in the page number and you are good to go. From employee info to total claim amount, detailed breakdowns, and even bill attachments, it's all right there for you. Effortlessly check out all bill attachments and add your comments for a smooth communication. Ensure accurate claims with grade-specific eligibility checks, preventing any overclaimed amounts. This includes detailed information on hotel and food eligibility based on the employee's grade. Handling a claim is as simple as ever. Simply review and validate the claim amount with the attached bills, update the final approved amounts for each claim category, and feel free to add any extra comments in the approval comment box for a seamless process. Save all inputs with just a single click, making the entire process streamlined and foolproof. Ready to transform your travel claim management? Click the link below to explore more. Did you enjoy exploring the employee travel claim management system? Then don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button and also share this with your friends. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to share them in the comment section below. We are here to help you. If you are not a part of our community yet, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell to stay updated on all upcoming content. This is Ganesh signing off now. Until next time, take care. Bye.